Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you the 6 parts that make up your Whirlpool dish rack adjusters and how to assemble them. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn-Air, Amana, and more. The dish rack adjuster assembly supports, raises, and lowers the upper dish rack. If any part of the assembly is damaged or broken, the upper dish rack may not be supported correctly or may not raise and lower properly. If you need to purchase a new part for your Whirlpool dishwashers adjuster assembly, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Each of the parts that make up the upper dish rack adjuster assembly are sold separately, so if you need to replace any of them, they will need to be purchased on their own. The dish rack adjuster is made up of 6 unique parts, including the dish rack adjuster, the adjuster positioner clip, the adjuster clip, the tether adjuster strap, the adjuster cover, and the adjuster housing. We'll start by installing the dish rack adjuster. Align the dish rack adjuster to the back of the upper dish rack so that the rear locking tabs seat in the last wire row. Second, we'll install the adjuster clip. Align the adjuster clip to the hole closest to the horizontal bar on the rack and press until it snaps into place. Third, we'll install the tether adjuster strap. Align the hole on the tether adjuster strap to the tab on the adjuster, press to insert, and slide the clip up. Then, align the retainer on the clip to the rack and press until it snaps into place. Fourth, we'll install the adjuster positioner clip. Insert the adjuster positioner clip at an angle and rotate it so that the bars seat between these tabs. Then, insert the tab on the adjuster into the hole on the clip. Press down on the clip until it snaps into place. Fifth, we'll install the adjuster housing. Insert the adjuster housing at an angle so that the locking tabs seat on the outside of the rack, and then swing the housing into place. Finally, we'll install the adjuster cover. While supporting the housing, insert the cover at an angle and press to align the locking tabs. Then, press firmly on the bottom of the cover to snap it into place. Now, repeat the same installation steps on the other side. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.